Diana Prince may have the title Wonder Woman, but she can no longer answer to Ambassador. The United Nations has stripped DC Comics icon Wonder Woman of her ambassador role. In October, it was announced that Wonder Woman would be United Nations Honorary Ambassador for the empowerment of women and girls, hoping the superhero could bring awareness to female equality issues worldwide. Just shy of 45,000 people signed an online petition asking that Wonder Woman be removed from the post held for just 2 months. The petitioners felt Wonder Woman has an overtly sexualized image that is not culturally encompassing or sensitive. Nicola Scott, who created the art for the UN DC Comics partnership, expressed her disappointment on Facebook, saying, 75 years of power and progress, and they've reduced her to a pretty lady in a bathing suit. Fans of the comic and what the character stands for have taken to shaming the UN on social media. Opinions like, the UN just made a huge mistake, and guess strong women still aren't accepted yet have been making the rounds, along with a new petition to have Wonder Woman reinstated. Another woman out of the political realm. If only she'd worn a pantsuit. Oh yeah, that wouldn't have worked either. I'm TC Newman for Buzz 60. Now you know, pass it on.